So keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this. It's super crazy, guys, and it actually works. Hey guys, so if you get down on the game Day Survival, I'm going to show you a modded version for iOS and Android that will make you rich. So as you can see, guys, I'm broke, but in the mod menu I can turn on unlimited caps. So I'm going to turn this on right here and let's see if it goes up. So as you can see, guys, this is what I have right now. It's really just nothing. But you know, I'm a big believer in modded versions and stuff, so let's see if it increases at all, since I just enables the unlimited caps option. So let's see what oh my gosh, guys, look at that. So I'm going to show you how to get this Day Survival iOS and Android modded version for your phone. So let's get into the tutorial. So the first thing we're going to do is open up a new tab, and what I want you to do is type tweakmod.com. This is a modded website. Okay, so go on the search bar, type Day Survival, find the game, press install. Now before it downloads, there is going to be a verification. This is the last step. You just need to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free from official App Store, and this should install the modded version into your phone. So let's just wait for it to download here. As you can see, so it's pretty simple. A lot of people are going to be not aware of this mod, which is why I decided to make this video. So let's just wait for it to load here. As you can see, so yeah, it's loading up right now. Alright, so as you can see, guys, it's bringing us to that last step, and we just need to download 2 of these apps, so you don't have to get all of them. But like Family Island says reach level 9, it's a game, so that's pretty simple. Then we got TikTok, down run for 30 seconds, Travel Town, reach level 9. So most of them are going to be games, pretty simple to do. TikTok's pretty easy one though, you just got to download it and run it for 30 seconds. So be sure to try us out. I'm going to see you guys in another video. Be subscribed to the channel, and yeah, get the word out, guys. This is super cool, and peace out, gang.